Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. In this video, I just want to share a quick planner lineup for the rest of 2020. I just have a couple of planners, 2 new planners, and I am taking my huge lineup back from January 2020, which was I think 7 planners. I'll link it up here somewhere. And simplifying. I feel like I've been doing so many things, way too many things. I've been pulled everywhere. I've just hit my limit and decided I need to start over, start fresh, go back to my word of the year, my one little word, which is crystal, and simplify and get crystal clear about how I'm using my time and how I want to use my planner system very purposefully. So I did that and simplified, and I want to share just the planners that I came up with to make it happen. Let's check it out. Okay, so I simplified down from lots of planners to actually three planners. This is a Happy Notes, so it's really just notebook paper. Let's start here with the skinny classic size Happy Planner. It is the Boss Babe one or something like that, Biz Babe. It's this layout, the skinny layout, and it's the classic size, and I'm using it for budget. I had tried several different layouts for budgeting throughout the year this year, and I came up with this one. Here's how I use it very quickly. I use one of the expense trackers and a bill pay checklist, and I pay bills once a month. I use the expense tracker just for my business expenses for the Planner channel and the Planner school, and throughout the month. In the weeks, I write in my personal or household expenses. That way I can put a total in the notes section for each week and add it up and keep up with my household budget, which is basically my food budget, and that's my problem area where I spend too much. So that helps me stay on track for budgeting. I would get rid of this planner as well because I'm really trying to simplify, but budget is huge for me. So far I've been using this. I'm not caught up to date, but this layout has been perfect for budgeting. The next planner in the stack is actually a Happy Notes, and it's the Planner Babe Happy Notes. I have it in a snap-in cover because those are easiest to write on. And this is where I have all my video ideas, like everything for planning out videos for the Planner channel. So this, I just put in a bunch of the cute paper that I liked in here and the tabs from the Happy Notes. And this whole front has all my video ideas and notes for the Planner channel and the Planner school. All right, Wild Styled is going to be my personal planner. I'm so excited about this one. I love it because it's neutral, and you know I like to do a different theme each week. So with this neutral planner, it's going to be perfect for me to do whatever I feel like decorating with that week because it's neutral. So I'm super excited about that. Not only that, but I did switch out the discs again to my favorite discs, which are those like bronzish pink ones from the Botanicals planner. Those are my favorites. So those are in there, and I'll get to use those. Yay! But other than that, I love this color palette that is in here. Rose gold, this salmon pink, black and white. I love all of that. My color palette for the Planner channel is pink and black and white. So those are my colors. Love that. I'm excited about that. So let me show you just quick how I'm using it, because I wanted to simplify all my planners. So I want to show you what I'm going to do. So this front section with the like year at a glance overview, I'm going to use this for my workout. And I will share, where is my planner? Okay, here's the Teresa Collins planner that I've been using in 2020. I love it. It's beautiful. I'm very sad to be switching out of this planner. I love it. And I went ahead and wrote in all my exercise and workouts for the first half of the year in this overview part just to kind of see, and I think it's going to work. I love having those little workout stickers and all of those cute things. And if you're really focusing on like health, wellness, fitness, and you have a planner dedicated to that right now, do it. But if you want to simplify, you can also track that in a smaller section in your planner. For example, this section. So this is the purpose of this. For myself, I know I have not been feeling well. I know I haven't been exercising. And once you once you get it all on like an overview like this, all right, let's see. Why am I not feeling so well? Let's see. I was doing yoga in January and some workouts. I was going to the park and exercising every week in February. I started off good in March, and then the pandemic hit. No exercise, no exercise, not a single workout in April, the whole month. I did one little exercise, 10 push-ups there. I walked one day in May, and then we finally set up our trampoline again, so I did that for a few days. I walked yesterday. No wonder I don't feel well. Look, I've only exercised twice in the past 3 months. So that's why this can be powerful. For anything you're tracking in your planner, this shows you, it reflects back your activities. So you can see why I felt real good in January, because I was exercising. I was doing yoga, which helps with stress. Yeah. So this whole time I've just been stressed until I just crashed. So it's time to start fresh again. And I think this is good for me to be able to see. So what I want you to take away from this is utilize your planner, make a decision from your priorities. If you don't have the power plan checklist, get it, go through it, decide what your priorities are. If there's something you want to focus on and track, use your planner, use this, choose one thing that you want to track in here and do it. And then it will reflect back and you'll be able to see some patterns, some results, some changes you might want to see. It doesn't have to be health, wellness, fitness. You can put your like expenses. You could add up your expenses each day on a sticky and write them in. I mean, this would be a good expense. Just all kinds of things that you could track here. But do it. Track something. Decide on something you want to focus on and put it there. I don't use the currently pages, and I'm going to continue to not use them at this time. Maybe I will in the future. I'm not right now. The monthly. So the monthly I use as like a month ahead overview to plan ahead for the month, and kind of like I put my little appointments on stickies, usually the little sticky notes, and then after I decorate my week, then I kind of fill in all the things that I have on the monthly in the weekly. So this is my look ahead at the month. Big appointments, big holidays, any time off from work. That's what I do with the monthly. You can also use the monthly for tracking things. You can use it to plan ahead, or you can use it for tracking. Again, anything you want to focus on, use your monthly. You do not have to use it as a calendar. You can use it as a tracker. You can use it for so many things. And I did that video recently where we came up with a whole bunch of ideas for the inspiration planner, things you can track. So I'll link that up here as well. And I've been adding things to that list, and my goal is to get up to 100 ideas of things to track. So I'm going to keep adding them to that. All right. And then in the weeks, I decorate a different theme every single week. And then I plan my week out and track all the things, all my time schedule goes here. So that's all personal. So those are the 3 sections that I'm using in this planner. I also have some loose paper in the back because I'm going to continue journaling, but instead of using my horizontal planner as a journal, which I'm going to miss so much, I'm going to use the loose paper. That is going to be my journal now instead of the daily. But if you're just starting out journaling, that horizontal planner is perfect for that because it gives you a space with today's date for you to practice journaling so that it becomes a habit. So if you're developing that habit, I highly recommend the horizontal planner. So actually that's 4 sections, 4 things I'm using the Wild Styled for personally. Next up, this is a brand new planner, like I needed a new planner. I know, but this is why I got it. I got the Pretty Preppy 18-month planner. It is let's look at it. I got it because of the colors. Okay, the colors, so pretty. It looks so good in this Plan a Happy Life yellow cover, and with my pink discs, which I enjoy so much. All right, so let's talk about this one. This one is going to be for the planner channel and the planner school. I have just been wanting to do too much and trying to do too much, and I need to focus. So I wanted a new planner to help me just kind of have a fresh start and focus on one thing at a time and accomplishing goals one at a time. So this one, the colors are so, so pretty. I just love these colors, don't you? They're so pretty. So this one will be where I'll track videos just as I have been doing, no change there. But here's this layout, which is not my favorite layout, but here's what I'm thinking it's going to help me do, because I want to track my time and my activities, because my time is so limited because of my day job and just mom responsibilities, house, life. So I want to take what little time I have to work on this and make it productive and pay a little more attention to how I'm spending my time, so that I can get more results in less time. So this is an hourly planner, hourly lined vertical. Here, I'll zoom in so you can see that. Here's what I'm going to do with this layout. All right, I grabbed a sticky note so I can show you. So I'm going to grab a sticky note, well, not a sticky note, a sticker. And since, let's say I'm going to do a power hour this day, Thursday the 2nd, I'm going to put my sticker there right in my task or my activity that I did, so that I can see how much time I'm spending on this goal or on this task, and then do that. So I'm going to use more of those block stickers and productivity style stickers, so that I can track, okay, in this time I got up early this day, here's what I worked on, I spent an hour doing it, so that I can just pay more attention and try to be more intentional about my time and working on this goal. And that's what this planner is going to do. So that's what the weekly will do. Monthly will be for tracking, posting videos and pictures on Instagram. That is that. And then I have the happy notes for like writing out the video ideas. That's it. I wanted a simple planner lineup for the rest of the year, and I just wanted to share that lineup with you. You might be changing up for your second half of 2020 in your planning system. If you're not changing anything, that's great too. And that just tells me you made a good decision at the beginning of the year that's working for you. But I know life is changing, things are different everywhere. And maybe it's a good time to change up your planning system, to make it work for you, to revisit your goals. So leave a comment and tell me, what is your new plan for the second half of 2020? If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, click the link in the description box to get your free power plan checklist, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!